Good morning, rail fans. It's Bruce, coming to you from Fostoria, Ohio. I'm visiting my son from Columbus, and we made the trip here, so I finally got to see Fostoria for myself. It's been a busy morning. We got lots of trains, lots of different variety. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Every view helps my channel. Thanks. Have a great day. 4544 and 8145. Coke Express, that's different. Hey, it's Bruce. I'm in Fostoria, Ohio. That was really different. Coke Express. I've never seen cars like that before.